Wouldn't you like to be able to sit on the couch, watch TV, and fish off of the awesome center? 12 shrimp, 5 shad. Gonna cut the shad up, put them on the 4-aught. We'll put some shrimp on the lighter rod there. Once again, anybody still hopping in there? They were live a minute ago. At any rate, I got all those in my cast net. There's not a lot of shrimp there if you're shrimping for food, but if you're just shrimping for a bait store, that's a plethora of shrimp and shad. Let's see if I can catch something. Alright, thanks to my cast net, got some free bait. Caught a fish. Bullhead. Uh-oh, something's hitting this big rod. Uh-oh, there he goes. We'll see what we're gonna get. Alright, we got what looks to be a huge channel cat. Let's see if we can get this monster in the boat. Have a look at it. Wow. Took some shad. Wow, what a channel cat. Put my foot up there next to it. That thing's gotta go 10 pounds or better. Wow. Let's see if we can get. Still get this hook out of you. Well, you were just barely hooked. Gee, me, just barely hooked. Oh, yeah. Monster mash. Ha ha ha. Yeah, big. Bye, fishy. Kerthunk. Oh yeah. Kerthunk. Whew. That's a fish. Yes, sir. Ah, the secret of fishing success. Fresh bait. Get it free, too. Hey, everybody. It's Danny from Big Catfishing. Today I'm going to show you how to throw a cast net. Everybody wants free bait, right? Okay, so you put it around your wrist, coil the line, bring it all the way up to the end, grab the ring, pick it up, give it a few shakes, pinch it about 1/3 of the way down between your fingers and thumb, reach down and grab the bottom, doesn't matter where, just anywhere, give it a few shakes, put that piece under your thumb, reach down, grab the inside bottom, arm's length, hold it out, and toss. Just be sure to let go with your left hand last. That helps open the net. Okay, let's see it again, zoomed in and in slow motion. Pinch it 1/3 of the way down, grab it anywhere on the bottom, put that piece under your thumb, grab the inside bottom, hold it out at arm's length, and just toss it out. It's really just that simple. Okay, let's take another look at it with some close-up zooms and a little bit of slow motion. And remember, you don't need a super dog in order to get bait. Be sure to watch our incredible Trolling for Catfish videos. There'll be a link provided at the end of this video. Check it out. It's really cool. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you what's probably the easiest way there is to throw a cast net. Also probably get the most distance out of it too. It's called spin toss. Yeah, it helps to have a super dog, but it's not necessary. Go on, get out of here, super dog. First thing you want to do is coil it all up, fold it in half, grab the bottom, bring it up, put it up underneath your thumb. Grab the bottom again, about an arm's length out, and spin and toss. It's that simple. Let's watch it again here in a little bit slower motion and a closer view. Lift it up, put it under your thumb, fold it about a third down, grab the bottom, shake it loose, make sure there's no catches in it, put it under your thumb, grab the bottom again at an arm's length, and just spin. See how it opens up? If you want to start catching bigger and better fish, you need to learn how to throw a cast net. I would suggest you purchase a 5 or 6 footer and learn how to throw